We will begin discussing changing a reservation start date. Let's say Mr. Yauman called and said he's going to arrive a day early. Now you need to change the start date for his reservation. This is easily done with a couple of clicks on the rack. Right-click on one cell a day ahead to the left, like I did, of Miss Yauman's reservation on Site 3. This menu should appear. Click on the option Advance Next Reservation to this date, or you can press A as a shortcut. A prompt will appear to confirm the change, something like this. Click on Yes or press Enter to confirm. Now you will have a choice of whether to keep the number of days the same or leave the last night the same. Just click on your choice, depending on what they want to do. If you're not sure, click on No so the reservation doesn't end earlier than they expect, and you can change it when they check in. That's it. The rack will update with the change automatically.